I got a lot to say, but I'ma keep it simple today. So much to say, but I'ma make it quick today. So many ways you could display love for community by volunteering in close groups of unity. Make moves and take stands against plans that take lands my native people need to understand. Without a voice against political ways, they transform all property to get in the praise. For new plots to construct new development schemes that rip the soul out the Aina from the mountain to sea. I feel the pain of my people trying to live the old-fashioned kind country life the way that it was really meant to be. I had a dream like Martin Luther, that everyone connected, provided a better future like our grandparents left it. Cause this new generation distracted by technology. I see another overthrow on our economy. Foreigners and immigrants feeding off our paychecks. You ask me what we work hard for? Their benefits.
Not knowing history, your life's a mystery.
Come on, come on.
Flowers are ripe just for the nation to be picking. One light, one love, like we can win. Yeah. My people with the dirty hands.